Today topic of lecture Introduction to Design. Design means fashion or model. Design is main important of the any product, any drawing, any services also more need of the design. What is design? A design is a plan or specification for the construction of an object or system for the implementation of an activity or process. It is called a design. Design means a design is a plan or specification for the construction of an objective or system for the implementation of an activity or process. It is called a design. For the example, architecture blueprint, engineering drawings, business processes, and circuit diagrams. These all are some examples of design. Architectural building blueprint is the construction designs, buildings, bridges, railway tracks, all are etc. Engineering drawings, these some models of the product. Draw the engineerings, different type of engineering models. Circuit diagrams, this is also one type of design. These all are examples of design. Design means a plan, specification for the construction of an objective in your own product you manufacturing. That purpose prepare a planning. What type of product, that quality, size, model, all are etc. in this planning. Who is designer? The person who produces a design is called a designer. A person who produces a design is called a designer. You are also produce, you prepare a design, you are designer. I am also prepare a design, I am also designer. It is a term generally used for people who work professionally in one of the various design areas, such as a textile designer, fashion designer, product designer, concept designer, web designer, and interior designers. These all are examples of designer. Designer means professionally one type of design, one type of area you construct designs. That person is designer. For the example, textile industry, different models, different colors. You prepare a design. That person is the textile designer. Fashion designers, so many fashions, change of models, based the technology, based the environment, different areas, different fashions. That designer also fashion designer. Prepare a area wise or models, cultural based, environmental based. You prepare a designs. That person is the fashion designer. Product designer, production purpose. You prepare a designs. That person is the product designer. Concept designer, any concepts, any definitions. You prepare a model. That person is the concept designer. Web designer, this is also software side, computer side, websites you established, prepare a design. That person is the web designer. Interior designs, these also houses, buildings, business shops, shopping malls. You arrange the designs in the building. That person is the interior designer. Design processes. There are many ways of describing design processes and discussed two basic and fundamentally different ways. First one is the rational model. Second one is the action centric perspective model. Design process also divided the two models. First one is the rational model. Next one is action centric perspective model. This class discuss the role of rational model process. Rational model design process. Pre-production design. Pre-production means before production, before manufacturing, before starting production. Some processes you starting, that all are in this stage. Design brief, analysis, research, specification, problem solving, presentation, development, testing, post production design, feedback for future designs. Next stage, implementation, evaluation and conclusion. Last one is redesign. It is a design process of rational model. This one by one explain now. Rational model design process. First one is pre-production design. Pre-production design, in this process, before production, before starting production. Some stages, some processes that all are in this stage discussed. First one is design brief. This is first stage. What is design? First, define clearly, simple. So and so design, so and so model for prepare production, for fashion design, for interior design. You first briefly explain, simple, what is design in this stage. Next one is analysis. After you tell the brief design, that is analysis. You calculation, evaluation, advantages, disadvantages, you compare to the other designs, suitable or not suitable, our production, our business, our activity. In this stage, analyze the our objective of design. Next, research or analyze. After the design, you in research, investigation, our design, you outside or inside, you collect the information, our design. It is called a research. In this stage, collect the information or feedback, our design. Specifications. After research, you take the information, or users, or consumers, or distribution channel agents, or other experts, that based on any changes of the specifications, our design, our model. It is called a specifications. Some separately, some persons also you prepare designs, or youngsters, or teenage peoples, so and so examples, etc. You arrange the specifications. Problem solving. After set the specifications, any problems. What is problem? Main user, our buyer, our purchase persons. You take the measures in this stage. Solve the problems. Next one is presentation. In this stage also our model or design. Present the, submit the higher authority, concerned experts, in discussed. You total our design. Now submit the model. It is called a presentation. Next, development. After presentation of our design, some higher authorities or experts any changes, any modifications or design that consider the in this stage. Our guidelines, our suggestions, you develop the our design or model in this stage, development stage. Next, testing. After design is all are prepared, you test the market or some pilot testing outside or users or consumers, some few members in this stage. You confirmation purpose or model or satisfy, not satisfy to the users and consumers. It is a testing stage of the design or model. Post-production design feedback for future designs. This is also after production. You all design also you accept or management or outside or satisfy. You finally implement the market or product is starting. That some stages also in this process. Implementation. After testing or passion or design or model, you implement for the market or sales or buying purpose. Sales. You what place also implement or product, all are in this stage discussed. You implement the our product after manufacturing in the market in this stage. Evaluation and conclusions. After implementation, again evaluation of our product or feedback. You collect the outside the market, outside the industry, outside the business, in the market or users or consumers or different experts or product. You collect the feedback from others. That based the calculate the our product in the market or demand and accept of the our users and consumers in this stage. After finally you conclusion our product situation in the after implementation in the market. Take the feedback in this stage. Next one is redesign. What is redesign? Redesign means again you prepare a design. It is called a redesign. Any complaints in the market, any complaints from market or users or channels, agencies or business experts, that all are considered after implementation of our design or evaluation. You take the measures Our product is redesigned, rearranged. Any changes, some changes in the product. It is called a redesign. It is the model of design processes, rational model design process, pre-production design, design brief, analysis, research, specification, problem solving, presentation, development, testing, post-production, design feedback or feature designs, implementation, evaluation and conclusion. Last one is redesign. It is a rational model design process. This over. Next topic is types of designs. Designs are different types, are divided, or fashions, models, that as a follows. First one is design and art. Next one, design and engineering. Next one, design and production. These all are types of designs. This one by one explain now. First one is design and art. Art means some methods for creating works. Some methods for creating works. This art is the person's special skills, special knowledge. That all are you use of the prepare a models or designs. It is called a design and art. In this methods also, for example, industrial designs, graphic designs, fashion designs, decorative designs. These all are art. Some drawings also depend the designer skills, are that also art. Some persons also some field, more knowledge, more skills, attractive skills, that all are art. In the use of the in this designs, decoration, that is one of the art. Drawing, that is one of the art. These all are used the for design. That is a design and art in this method. Next one is design and engineering. It is a second method of the design. In this method, application of scientific and mathematical principles to practice ends such as the design. In this type of design, use of the scientific and mathematical principles apply for designs. It is called a design and engineering. For the example of engineering drawings, engineering drawing, web designs, engineering designs, software designs, graphical designs, construction designs, buildings, civil type of designs. These all are the related to the engineering and design. Next one is design and production. Is one of planning and executive the need for special design for production increase as well. This is the designs for the production purpose, manufacturing purpose, goods and products. You prepare a fashion or model or design in this type of designs. So many examples: product designs, goods designs, or size, or color, quality, etc. Use of the additionally or product. It is called a design and production. These all are types of designs. First one is design and art. Second one is design and engineering. Third one is design and production. Today discuss the what is design, what is designer, what is design process, and types of designs known. This class is over. Thank you.